I am not your financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please do your own due diligence before investing your own money. Your capital is at risk. When you invest in the stock market, prices can go up as well as down. Please do your own research. Hello YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. A few weeks ago, one of the viewers asked me a question about what is my strategy and how does it work. So the strategy I use for investing is called cost averaging. This works for me, and if you follow this, it could work for you. So the basic principle of the strategy, you invest the same amount of money each period, whether that's day, week, month, whatever period you choose, regardless of the share price. I've got a little example set up for you here. So at period number 1, the start opening share price is £10. I invested £10, I got 1 share. The next period, the share price went down, which is often seen as a negative thing. But again, I invested £10, I got 1.1 shares. The next period, the share price went down again. Again, I still invested £10, still bought more shares. Now this carries on. As you see, it goes down, and then we have to see it rise, and down, and rise. This could be seen in typical stock market conditions. But at the end of this period that I was investing for, this is hypothetical, the share price went back to its original price. Yeah. So over that period, which is 21 periods, 32 periods, that could have been weeks, that could have been months. It's irrelevant really. I invested, the total amount invested was £220. I managed to purchase nearly 26 shares. Now, if I'd have sold all those shares on the sorry, excuse me. If I'd have sold all those shares at the end, I would have sold them for £260, giving me a profit of £40. So that's what cost average is you invest a fixed amount over a period of time, and then you always end up paying the average share price for a share. So come the end of your period when you want to sell or you need the money, you should, in theory, given enough time, be in a profit. So that's a theory behind it, and theory, and people go, that's really good, but I do have an example of real life example I want to share with you. So this is HSBC holdings that I own, and I've used this strategy for. So the dotted line here on the chart shows my average share price, which is £4.46. Now I started purchasing these shares in sort of January 2020. Yeah, just as the pandemic was just started taking hold. So as you can see, share price then was £5.80 a share, around that mark, and then it tumbled, and it tumbled some more, and it tumbled some more. And each time I kept investing, tumbled some more, and then it started to recover. Yep, and I'm thinking, oh, at what end of mid 2021, I thought, oh, I'm back to even now, as in my average share price, the actual share price was the same. So to me, that was back to even. Then it tumbled some more. But I still didn't lose faith. I kept on investing, little bits at a time, and then up until, here we go, February this year, I was in profit. There was what, £5.40, £5.60 a share, something like that. So I was a pound a share in profit. And even though the share price has tumbled again to what it is today at £4.70 a share, I am still in profit, and I'll continue to do that. So as you can see, my returns here are quite low at the moment, but that's been high. It's been high as 27%, I think. And I'll continue to do so. So that's what cost average is. So this is why you'll see when I invest, I always try and invest a minimum amount, which is £2 per share in my other portfolio. and that gives me a cost average. So I don't worry about, so I worry less around market volatility in times of crisis. So at the moment, what's going on in the world is a bit of a crisis. There's the energy crisis, there's the Ukraine crisis, there's inflation pressures, there's higher interest rate pressures. There's lots of pressures going on. So stock markets are quite volatile at the moment. They could be up, they could be up, down. But I continue to invest using this cost strategy average. So, and I believe, and time will tell, come the end of this experiment that I'm doing, I will be in profit, not a loss. Sorry, I've got a bit of cough. So if you found this interesting, I need you to do a couple of things. I need you to like this video. It will help promote my channel, and you will be able to, and then I'd like you to subscribe. So if you find this content interesting, then you'll be able to see when I post new videos on this content. And the other thing, if you're new to investing and you want to, don't want to deposit funds, and you want a free share, where's the free share? Oh, link off, use promotion code. No. Oh, maybe they've taken it off then. But the link for my code, I don't know why it's not, I can't find it. For some reason, it must have just been me at the moment. But there's a link in the description below for a code. So if you sign up to Trading212, you should get a free share, and I should get a free share. And this will help promote and fund the channel to help me make more video content. Okay, guys, thanks for now. See you next time.